Great. Okay, now, Sam. All right, we got to do this one. Ready? It's not in, is it? That's because we don't want those clumps. Okay, 1, 2. Almost got it. Wonderful. And now you know what we need? Sam? Okay. All right. Okay. Which spoon do you want? This spoon or this spoon? This spoon. Okay.
Are you guys stirring? Sam, are you stirring, honey?
Stir. Oh, look at that.